welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another study with me, and this is a chill Sunday edition. And as you can see, I woke up and started to get ready at around 10 to 10, so I did have a little bit of a lie-in, but yeah, that was just the day. And this is a collab with a load of study YouTubers who honestly I know you all love and all would love if you haven't already subscribed to them, so definitely check out their channels and their videos. I will leave the links in the description box down below. I think everyone's uploading around a different time, so make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss their videos. So I started my work around 25 past 10 and I just put on some music to work to just because I always have to have music. And as you can see, I also made myself a cup of tea, so I just brought that into my room. And I had quite an extensive list of coursework things to do today. So yeah, I was just going through that and I decided to start by finishing off one of my essays because I only had like a page of it left and I knew it wouldn't take me that long. So this is what I was just doing here. So at around 10 to 11 I ticked this off my to-do list, and this to-do list I made on a plugin on Chrome which is called Momentum. It's so good, I definitely recommend it. And then I decided to start writing up some notes and doing some research for another essay that I had to do. Yes, I had so many essays to do this day, but yeah, I just had to get on with it and do it. So at 12 o'clock I decided to take a break and have some lunch. I hadn't actually finished the notes yet, so I did go on and finish them after I had eaten. So as you can see, I just got my laptop back out again and now it was around 12:35 and I just finished on writing the notes because I had so many to do for this essay and it was quite in depth and yeah, just quite complicated, so I was trying to get my head around the whole concepts. I'm just showing you all the notes that I made. It took me a long time, and look how many notes and references there are. So yeah, this was going to be a fun essay to write. And now it was around 20 to 2 and I decided to go out for a bit of a walk just because I wanted a break, and it was quite a nice day, so I just went for a walk down to the Hoe and just looked at the sights, looked at the sea, and I also went for a Costa as well just because I needed something warming, because although it was nice, it was quite chilly. So yeah, I treated myself to a hot chocolate. And then when I got back, it was around 4 o'clock and I decided to do some more research because I did still have some work to do for a completely separate report that I had due in for after Easter, I think it is. So yeah, I was doing some more research because that just had to be done as well. So I actually managed to get this done as well, so I was quite happy because I got quite a lot done in this day, and yeah, it was quite productive even though I did manage to still go out. So I ticked this off my to-do list, and then I just took a huge break to have tea, and I came back to do my work at around 20 to 8. And instead of writing essays and doing research, I decided to go back and look through my lectures that I had previously that week, and I just made some more notes and added to my already pre-existing lecture notes. I added some different diagrams and things from the slides that we were given, and also our lecturers gave us quite a few readings because that's what they tend to do in this module, just because it is our exam module. And I was just going through the textbooks and finding all the resources that I needed, making more notes, and yeah, just extending my knowledge. So by the time I actually finished this, it was around 8:15, and I again ticked that off my to-do list, and this is everything that I got done. I got quite a lot done, so I was really happy. So I decided to call it a day, and I decided to watch Zoe's vlog because I absolutely love her vlogs, and they just make me so happy and really relaxed because they're like a 45-minute vlog. So yeah, I absolutely love them. And that's it for my study with me, so I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all soon.